What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
Like a thunder's roar, rubber burns and the engine soars. Rev bomb rides with a wild man's pride. The world can't keep up no matter how it tries. Rev bomb's motorbikes got a heart of steel. Wheels spinning faster than the fear we feel. Lights flash like fire in the dead of night. He's a rebel on wheels chasing freedom's light.
Good morning all. It is a Wednesday morning. Look, the fog is just starting to clear. It's horrible out here. It's about 1 degree at the moment. And we're out on the final test ride of this before I can get back to the workshop and warm my hands up. It's the R66 in ivory. So your straight standard, cheapest version of the Rs. This used to be known as the Detroit. It's now the Cyclone R66 or Lexmoto R66, made by Cyclone in ivory. I do like this colour. It really does look good. So we're going to get out, get the final test ride done, and then I can get back and warm myself up. This one's going out in a few days to the customer, and we've already got 10 miles on the bike. So quick whiz around the town, final test ride like I always do, just to make sure everything is all okay, and then I'm going to have to get it back, give it a full wash by hand. Don't jet wash a bike. I had a question come in. He said, obviously I did my little video of not to jet wash a bike because it blows all the grease and puts water inside your front wheel bearings and everywhere. You don't want that. You're going to get all in your electrics and everything. So I did have a question come in. He said, yes, but if you ride in the rain, the bike's going to get wet anyway. Yes, but you're not forcing water inside your bearings or your engine in the rain like you will with a jet wash. A jet wash is under pressure. That is high pressure water. That is going to find its way into everything on your bike. In the rain, it's just a little bit of water getting chucked over your bike, as it literally like you were misting a bike. So do not jet wash a bike. Simple reason being, you are going to just get water in your electrics. You're going to do all your bearings in. So in the rain, it's fine. Bikes are waterproof to a certain level, unless of course you go out trail riding like me and fording through about 1.5 feet of water at the same time. Right, let's get the visor down and have a little run around the town. Oh God, it is decidedly cold this morning. Horrible, horrible weather. And nothing better than a set of heated gloves, which I haven't got yet because Mrs. B's got me those for Christmas. But thank God for things like heated grips. Now, heated grips are good. Oh, especially... Where the hell are you going? Jesus H. Christ.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, sit on it. Yeah. Yeah, that dude's cool. Every time I come in there to get gas, he's like, dude, nice bike. I'm like, kinda. We're gonna go to my my auntie and my grandma are in the hospital right now. We're gonna go check in on them. Auntie's not doing so hot. The medication they've had her on has really been messing her up, and she's on dialysis. So we're gonna go see her, and then we're gonna go celebrate my birthday. It's gonna be a good day, regardless. We're gonna bring the good vibes. I was thinking maybe getting my hair cut today too. My beard's like sticking a foot out underneath my fucking helmet. It looks funky. Look like an old man on this sport bike. My brother Eric has been he's done 2 races now, racing dirt bikes, doing like scrambles, I think. We went out to Olympia, or like somewhere out in Grays Harbor. He broke his collarbone on his dirt bike. We were out celebrating, riding dirt bikes in the woods, and he sold his dirt bike probably a year later. And so I didn't know, but he's been wanting to get another one for a long time. And he gets a freaking sweet KTM. I'll put that in the video here. We stopped by the bank. We stopped by the hospital. I went up and saw my auntie. She's on dialysis. Had a couple people there kind of working things out, some baby steps are happening, slowly but surely. So that's good. And hopefully everything pans out for the positive, We'll see what happens, man. Always makes me kind of stressed out having family in the hospital, but especially on my birthday. But I'm dying. But he has some nice legs. Lego.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.